UAVS stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. AG Eagle Aerial Systems. It's been sitting at 4.6% up for Tuesday. And all I can see is the price actually still hovering around the supply zone. Context, I'm sticking to a strategy that has previously delivered thousands of correct predictions and have documented everything. In this case, even with UAVS, come here. It's a pretty bearish market still. In short, I have like a double break here, and this is only really going to be valid if the price gives me that downside delivery, or in other words, this. If I see that, then and only then this is a market that I'm willing to short. Instead of assuming, notice how I'm just reacting. And I've done 40 years in this market still, 32,000 videos. So if you don't want to figure your strategy on your own, click the first link in the description. It's a free course. All reviews are 5-star.